It was the first property of the Andronis family back in 2007 with the 33 suites and villas. So here this property is the flagship, is the one, the most luxurious one for the ones, we call them for the healthy and wealthy. In this main building you will find the two second and third level categories. You will find the 4 grande suites, which is perfect for those who want to book the same room category, and for those they don't want to go with many stairs, because as you know already, Caldera has many stairs. So these two options are the best for those people. Here is for this property is for those who want to come and live the Santorini dream, and for those that they want the most luxurious and more spacious and all the Greek blue in front of their eyes. So we're gonna see now a middle room category, the executive, and we're gonna see the exceptional, and then we're gonna see a villa. The most unique with this property is that the lower levels we go, the highest room category and the better privacy. I don't know, your guests are looking for private, and
You never know.
what they want, what they're looking for when they come to Santorini.
No, any guest looking for different.
Excuse me, sorry?
Any guest looking for different.
Perfect. That's why we have 5 properties here in the and we have something different for everyone. So you will see later as down as we go, more privacy. And also here in Andronis Luxury Suites we have big pools, which is great because it's something hard to find in the Caldera. So here is the exceptional suite that we're gonna see. This is for 2 and for 3 people, very nice. It's a middle room category, so it's very nice choice maybe for parents with adult children. As you actually, let me tell you that in our properties in the Caldera, we do not accept children under 13 years old. They have to be 13 years old and above. As you will see, it's very private. We have the tents that gives the privacy, infinity views, and all of our rooms are very spacious, which is also something hard to be found in the Caldera. So this room has round table. We have 2 same room categories, 2 rooms in the same room category. The other exceptional suite has normal king size bed. This is a round king size bed. As you will see, we try to
Really.
it's nice, right? We try to keep the K-style building to our properties in the Caldera. I don't know if you know that, but back in time, the people that used to live here in here, they live in K-style houses. So we try to keep the traditional part. Let me tell you, for this suite, that we can accommodate the extra bed. We can put it here, which is like a luggage room or an office. We can add here the extra bed. It's spacious, right?
How many square meters?
Almost 80, almost 60 to 80 with the outside.
68 together with terrace.
Also, let me tell you another information. All the guests of the Andronis Luxury Suites, only for the Andronis Luxury Suites, can enjoy their breakfast in their room complimentary. So this is only for the guests of this property. The other properties that we have the breakfast in the restaurants. Of course, they have the option to go to the accommodation.
Just breakfast or floating breakfast?
Breakfast, regular breakfast.
No.
Floating breakfast is an extra service that we have. May I close or you want to?
Yes.